Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone sa mga mahal naming kaibigan na nasa UCorp ngayon. Ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang isa sa mga pinaka-vital o pinaka-essential ingredients sa success dito sa ating business na network marketing. So, ito po yung pinakailangan kasi ang pinakatanong kasi pinaka-sinasabi po ng mga karamihan na mga nagne-network na ay wala na akong kakilala dito sa Davao, wala akong kakilala dito sa area namin. So ito po yung pinaka-magandang gagawin muna natin bago tayo magbiyahe. Magsulat muna tayo. So ito po yung tinatawag na memory jogger para maalala po natin yung mga hindi natin maalala sa present sa ngayon kasi may mga pangalan talaga hindi natin maalala sa dami po nating mga naiisip, mga problema, may mga ginagawa natin sa araw-araw. So ang gagawin po natin, kailangan po natin ng tools para maalala po natin yung mga prospects natin na pupuntahan natin at ma-share natin po ng ating business at ng ating products na sa products na UCorp like Truchet, Spirulina Truchet, yung ating premium organic barley with fiber at iba pa. Ayun. So, ito po yung kailangan natin. So, ito ay tools na maalala natin yung ating mga kaibigan, kamag-anak, yung KKK natin, no? KKK. So, ang pinakamahalagang gagawin daw natin dito ay wag po tayong mag-prejudge. So, wag nating sabihin na, hindi yun pwede. Yung isa, hindi yun interesado. Hindi po. Kailangan nating isulat at ilagay natin sa ating notebook yung mga pangalan na yon. So nakakategorize po ito, ladies and gentlemen, no? Nakakategorize po ito, no? Ang sabi nga po dito, build an ever expanding list, add to every day. So kahit saan na tayo pumunta, maalala natin, dapat may dala tayong notebook at papel. Notebook at ballpen, isulat natin yun. Sabi nga dito, build an ever-expanding list and never run out of people to talk to. Just add 2 new people a day to your list every day from day 1 to hanggang sa tuloy-tuloy na po. Huwag po nating kalimutan. Kailangan nating lalahanin lagi yun na maghanap tayo ng prospects kahit sino at maghanap tayo ng magtanong-tanong tayo kung may kakilala ka ba. So kung araw-arawin natin yun, naku, you'll be one of the most connected people in the world if you do this. If you do this 6 days a week, that's 624 new people a year. If you do this for 5 years, that's 3,120 people a year, no? So, isipin nyo yun. Sobrang daming tao na pwede natin kausapin sa networking, sa network natin dito sa UCorp. So, dito, ang tanong dito, can you see why professionals don't worry about running out of people to talk to? May mga networkers po sa ibang bansa na talagang napakagaling. Bakit po? Ito po yung sikreto nila. Now, sabi nga dito ni Eric Worre, ito yung mentor po namin, I'm not saying you should assault these people with your pitch the moment you are introduced. Hindi natin harasin natin na mag-invite ka agad. Hindi po. Just add them to your list, make friends. Ang goal po natin dito, mga kaibigan, kailangan nating kaibiganin sila, no? Kailangan mag-contact tayo lagi sa kanila, develop a connection, and when the time is right, you can help them understand what you have to offer. Kailangan po ng timing. Kailangan po natin na mag-contact tayo sa kanila every now and then, no? Kung may kasalan, punta kayo doon, no? May party, punta kayo doon, or kung may problema like nagkasakit, puntahan nyo sa hospital. Kahit anong, basta keep on, tawag dito, connect with them every now and then. Kahit ilang libo pa yan, no? I-text natin, kumusta ka na? Hi, kumusta? Nandito ako sa Davao, nandito ako sa Panabo, nandito ako sa Maynila. Usap tayo, magkape tayo. Ganun. So, ito po yung ating babasahin para maalala natin yung mga tao na gusto nating tulungan, no? Unang-una, members of your own family. Kaya kailangan natin basahin ito lagi kapag magsulat tayo. Father and mother, syempre, mama at papa, father-in-law, mother-in-law, grandparents, children, brothers and sisters, auntie, uncle, nieces and nephews, cousins. Ayun. People with whom you play, no? Kalaro natin. Bowling, football, golf, racquetball, tennis, volleyball, baseball, softball, soccer, and any other game. List you already have. Yung mga tao na nandun sa cellphone natin. Current address book, online contact manager, email addresses list, cell phone contacts, holiday cards list, wedding invitation list, child's birthday invitation list, business card list, you know, and ano pa, those you do business with, auto mechanic, accountant, banker, babysitter, childcare provider, car dealer, dentist, your kids too, doctor, your kids too, dry cleaner, grocer, gas station attendant, hairstylist, barber, housekeeper, insurance agent, lawyer, merchant, pharmacist, real estate agents, travel agents. Ayun, at your closest friends and those you associate with regularly. Your friends, neighbors, people you work with, church members. Yung hobby naman, buddies. Camping friends, dancing class friends, drawing class friends, fantasy football league friends, fishing buddies, hunting friends, karate class buddies, singing class, sculpting, woodworking friends, workout friends, at yung mga who are my architect, association members, bus drivers, butcher, baker, computer tech, children's friends, parents, and chiropractor. Ayun. Meron pa. Number 2, memory jogger number 2. Club members, delivery person, FedEx, UPS driver, yung LBC, GNT at iba pa, no, GRS, fireman, florist, jeweler, leasing agent, mailman, minister or pastor and their wives, pet groomer, photographer, police, property manager, sports team members, your kid teammates too and their parents, tailor, veterinarian, waitress, waiter, my favorite, water supplier, ano pa, yung nasa cellphone, dishwasher, laundry machine, equipment, supplies, fishing license, furniture, glasses, contacts, house, hunting license, refrigerator, tires and auto parts, TV and stereo, vacuum cleaner, wedding items. Naku, sobrang dami. So kapag basahin nyo to, na maalala nyo lahat yung mga sinasabi kanina ng mga tao. Kung sino. I know individual who are actively looking for a part-time job, ambitious, enthusiastic, entrepreneurial, caring people, champions, are fun and friendly, are fundraiser, are goal-oriented, are natural leaders, are organized, people with a positive thinking, self-motivated, a single mom or dad, are team players, may be interested in product or service, don't like their job, have been in network marketing, have character and integrity, have children in college, have computer and internet skills, have a dangerous job, have desire and drive. Ayun, those who have been associated with in the past, yung kasama natin lagi sa noon, no? Former coach, former co-workers, former roommates, former teacher, people in home, in town, previous neighbors, military cohorts, retired co-workers, schoolmates, your boss before. Ayun. Who sold me my, kung sino yung nagbenta sa atin ng air conditioner, boat, business cards, camper, car truck, computer. Nako, sobrang dami. Meron pa ditong pangatlong page, no? Have a great smile, yung nako, mas ang saya tingnan na mag-smile, no? Makakagaan ng loob. Have to pay down their credit card debts. Have people speaking skills, just got married, just graduated, just have the baby, just quit their job or is out of work, love challenges, love to learn new things, want to help their spouse retire early, want to make more money, want more time with their families, people who want to work for themselves, who attend self-improvement seminars, who bought new car or home, who enjoy being around high energy people, who need a new car or home, who read self-development books or on success, who I've met while on a vacation, who I've met in a plane, who my friends know who want freedom, who wants to go on vacation, who work too hard, who work at night or weekends, yung mga nasa BPO or mga virtual assistants, basketball player, beauty salon worker, broker, builder, cab driver, cable TV provider, camper, chiropractor, consultant, computer engineer, cook, dancer or dance teacher, dentist, dermatologist, designer, driver ng bus, cab or truck, tricycle, DJ, doctor, dry cleaner, education professional, electrician, engineer, entertainer, environmental scientist, farmer, film industry professional, fireman, fitness instructor, florist, food service associate, football player, fundraiser, furniture salesperson, gardener, geologist, golfer, government worker, graphic artist. Nako, sobrang dami nito Ayun. So, meron pa tayong gymnast, hairdresser, handy person, health practitioner, hiker, hospital staff, human resource staff, insurance agent, interior decorator, investor, jeweler, karate master, classmate, kickboxer master, classmate, kitchen renovator, lawyer, leasing manager, lab technician, loan officer, lifeguard, makeup artist, manager, manicurist, Marine Corps officer, massage therapist, mechanic, medical professional, midwife, minister, mortgage broker, music, teacher, musician, Navy officer, non-profit organization associate, nurse, nutritionist, office manager, optometrist, orthodontist. Ayun, yun namang mga painter, party planner, pediatrician, personal trainer, pet care professional, veterinarian, pharmacist, photographer, yung mga physical therapist, piano teacher, publisher, police officer, postal worker, promoter, property manager, public relation professional, psychiatrist, psychologist, radio worker, recreational therapist, railroad worker, realtor, rental agent or rental office agent, recruiter, rehabilitation specialist, reporter, repairman, restaurant owner or manager, salesperson, scientist, shoes repair specialist, satellite provider, singer, skater, skier, skincare consultant, social worker, software engineer, at spa worker. Ayan, meron pa. Yung mga swimmer, tailor, tanning salon worker, teacher, telecommunication worker, tennis instructor, therapist, trade worker, trainer, travel agent, tutor, over driver, valet attendant, veteran, volunteer, waiter, waitress, web designer, writer, yoga instructor, na ito namang sa kabila is kung taga saan sila. Dito is nasa ibang bansa kasi ito, no? Pwede nating gawing sabihin ito, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at mga lugar, mga city ng ating lugar. Who do you know from a different state? Yun, mga state or sa lugar natin sa Pilipinas. Kung kahit saan, no? Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Mga key cities at yung mga cities na nandoon. Ayan. Who lives in a different country? Okay, magkakilala natin ng mga foreigners. Ayun. Ito naman is mga iba't ibang lugar sa buong mundo. Yan, no? Yan. Ayan naman. Kompleto yan, no? Tingnan nyo lang yan. At gagawa po tayo na mag-print po tayo dito. You just ask me how to get this memory jogger na PDF file. Just ask me, just message me. These are the candidate list na form. Ayan, isulat nyo yan lahat. Memory jogger. Ito naman, candidate list. Nandito is pangalan, phone or email, how do you know them, and comments. Ayan, candidate list. Ayan, candidate list. Isulat nyo yan, no? 75 na yan, hanggang 90, hanggang 105, hanggang 120, ayun, 135. Pwede kayo mag-type nito, gawa kayo nito ng ganitong format. No? Dami po niyan. So, lahat ng mga binagit kanina sa buong Pilipinas, kahit ibang bansa, pwede nating invite sa Zoom meeting natin sa UCorp every week. Yan o. So, talagang imposible pong hindi po tayo magiging successful sa negosyo natin dito sa UCorp. Ayan po, isulat natin. Yung mga kausap natin, pwede nating tanungin, may kakilala ka ba? 3. Hingi tayo na 3, pero hindi natin hihingi na pwede bang humingi. Hindi po ganun pagsabi, kundi mayroon ka ba kakilala na gusto mong tulungan na may sakit, o yung mga nawala ng trabaho, o yung mga kakilala mo na bagong kasal, na kailangan ng opportunity at iba pa. Ganun po. So, isulat nyo, maghanap kayo ng kakilala or yung prospect nyo, tawagan nyo or kausapin nyo. Kung meron kayong kakilala, tulungan natin. Ganun po yung approach natin. So, ganun lang po kasimple, ladies and gentlemen, mga mahal po naming mga UCorp members sa buong mundo. So, napakasimple po, napakaganda po ng negosyo natin. Marami po tayo matutulungan sa buong mundo sa pamamagitan po ng ating negosyong network marketing. Ayan. So, I love network marketing. I know you love network marketing because we can earn while we work. You can do it part-time. You can do it full-time. Depende po sa inyong gusto. At marami tayong mga pangarap na imposibleng makuha. Pero makuha po yan sa negosyo natin, sa UCorp at sa network marketing industry. Maraming salamat sa panunood. At sana po ay i-share nyo po sa mga kakilala nyo, mga downlines ninyo upang maging successful din po sila sa kanilang network marketing dito sa UCorp company. Ayan. Have a great day. More UCorp power.